Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Can you guess from this scene where we are having so much fun? You can see how my son and my wife along with my friends family are enjoying themselves in the lake of nature. You can see this is a tea garden where we have mingled among the tea leaves. Let me tell you, this is the most famous hill station of Kerala, Munnar, which is situated in the lush green valleys of the hills. Actually, a month ago, we visited Kerala. During that time, we reached Munnar to see the tea garden. You can see the beauty of this place in the video. We really enjoyed a lot in this tea garden of Munnar. So, after watching this video, if you also feel like going here, then definitely plan a tour to Kerala once and have a lot of fun. If you need any information regarding the Kerala tour, then do comment in below the video. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.